Hey guys, this is going to be a video that will show you how to set up a ProPresenter file or plan for the current weekend services. So first thing, you're just going to go to your Finder, go to the applications, and you're going to actually open up ProPresenter 6. When you have ProPresenter 6 open, usually what it will do is it will either bring you to the information center or it's going to automatically load you into the weekend priors service. So the way you open up a fresh ProPresenter plan is you're always going to start at the bottom left of the screen. There's a plus sign. You're going to click it and then go to New PCO Playlist. That's Planning Center Online. As many of you know, we plan out our services through Planning Center, and then ProPresenter and Planning Center play nice with one another, and you can auto-populate everything you've planned out in Planning Center into ProPresenter. And so you click New PCO Playlist, you select the church, Mosaic Church, you click Mosaic Worship, and then the weekend you're going into will always be at the top. But just double check to make sure. You notice the arrival week 4, Brock's preaching this weekend, and then Luke 19 verses 45 through 48. So when you select it, it's going to automatically throw it into your playlist and just auto-populate your order of service. A lot of the times, maybe sometimes it'll automatically sync up the songs from your library. But in the case that it doesn't, like this, you'll just simply go to the search menu. As you see, the first song is Unstoppable God. You'll type in Unstoppable God, click, drag, drop. It's that simple. The next song is Lion and the Lamb. So you would just type in Lion and the Lamb, click, drag, drop. And just so forth and so on with the whole order of the service as you see things. Some things obviously aren't going to have slides like offering a pastor update. If there's something at the end video or something, you can just click and drag that into it. In the case that at the top, for instance, how the countdown didn't have that droppable area, all you're going to do is go to the right, click link, and it'll open that up for you. You'd find your countdown, click drop, link. I think that all of our pre-service slideshow and bumper stuff is going to be info desk. And in the case that you don't know, you can actually click the actual file and go in and see what's in there. And then all you'd have to do is just click the playlist, and it'll bring you right back. In the case that you don't know if it's really the right one, right here to the right of the actual file, it'll actually let you know the last time it was used. I haven't opened up ProPresenter on my laptop in a long time, so it's going to have an older date. But if it was used the weekend before, largely and more likely, you'll know that that's going to be the file to use. Click, drag, and there it is. Now for message slides. Message slides aren't automatically in ProPresenter, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to actually go into our Dropbox. Dropbox is always at the top of your screen. You'll click it. Most of the time it's going to bring you to this preview, recently changed, recently added files. You'll probably more than likely find the file that you're going to be using that weekend at the top, and it'll have the weekend's date in there. If you can't find it there, you can actually go into Dropbox. It's always going to be under your main file, Mosaic Creative, and then it'll be under Message Graphics, under Ocean Springs, and then it would show you the date, and you would open it. I don't think I have it on this computer, but you would just click the date, the ProPresenter file. It should automatically throw it into your library. It might ask you if you want to overwrite previous weekends. I usually just save it as a new file, and I don't override it, and then I'll drop it in your library under the date, and then you would just click and drag, and it would be in there. That's pretty much all of it is. That's it to create a weekend. If you have any questions, just let me know. Email me, text me, and I'll help you out the best that I can. All right, guys. Thank y'all.